What would you do if you played more? You do if you won.
Whoa. Whoa, bro. Whoa. Whoa. 67,000, bro. No way, bro. Wait, 2028, bro? Super duper blue color? Battery powered gas car? No way.
Quit your job? Help your loved ones? Play more?
I hope he replies.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're flipping another car we got here. And it's a 2028 Toyota Prius. Super duper blue. I've had it posted and I've been getting messages left and right, all from the same guy. Let's take a look at this here. I think we might be having someone coming in to take a look at this. Let's see what we're working with. All right, guys, that's what we like to see. They're wondering if it's still available, and as we're looking at here, it's still available. So I'm gonna text them back right now, and we'll get to the next part of this video where we make a sale.
No way, bro. What the hell? No way, bro. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Hey, full off and full up. 12 fish, hey, bro. Let's get going, bro. Let's get going, bro. Oh, hey, hey, man. Oh, let me turn on my tune for.
I don't know what you heard about me, but if this ain't getting out of me, the Cadillac won't see.
All right, guys, we just got a message back from our next guy coming to take a look at the car, and he can't pull up. He can't finna pull up until 1213. So we'll see you guys at 1213. All right, guys, what's up? So he said he couldn't meet until 1213. He just forgot to put the time symbol. I thought that was 1213. I don't know what that means. But I asked if he could do 1211 just because, you know, working on a schedule here. But he said only 1213, and it's 1211, so he should be here soon. I'm hoping he comes. You know, it's pretty late at night. I don't know why. It's kind of weird. Hey, should we cut the cameras? Or
I mean, maybe this is...
what was his name? Fuck, what was his name? What was his name? Hey, yo, 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 yo. Yo, what you doing, dude? Hey, is your name Landon? Alright.
What's up?
Alright, this is the guy. What's up, dude?
What's your name?
How you doing?
Yeah, we on a vlog right now?
Are you here for the Toyota?
Yeah, bro, we finna look at the Toyota Prius.
Yeah, this is it.
How much this thing?
It's set on the ad. We were talking
shit.
off rep. Was that you?
Yeah, I forgot, man. I've been partying all night. Man.
Oh shit.
You don't even know how far I had to ride, fool. I had to ride like 4 hours.
This thing? Is this
4
your first
hours.
car? Do you have?
It is, man.
Okay.
Can we take a look?
Yeah, sure, dude. This is it. Just don't touch it. Don't get too close. Just wait.
You can touch it at the same time.
Nah, I don't, just. Okay. Yeah, go in, dude. Check it out.
This ain't nice, man.
Guys. I don't think I've ever had someone meet me like this. He's just getting in the car.
Whoa.
He doesn't take it.
This shit is mad, man. Hey, come get the angles in here.
You like it, buddy?
Whoa.
Hey, how the fuck did you get the keys?
Whoa.
Dude, I don't have the fucking...
Yo, dude. Yo, stop the car. Stop.
Get the plate, Stop. What the fuck are you doing, dude?
Oh, what's up, bro?
Yeah, what is up? Dude, I just fucking ran like 400 million miles. Dude, what are you doing?
Just been having a great time. I just been trying to test drive it. Man,
Well,
I love it, man. I think I'll buy it.
you think so?
Yeah,
You
bro.
mean that?
I do.
Alright, dude, let's just get this paperwork done with.
Alright, let me give you the...
Fuck. Hold my ankle back there, dude.
Sorry,
Off the
man.
curb. Also, I don't think you're getting your scooter back. I sold it for some cocaine on the way here. I need an extra boost. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Dude, just
sorry.
take it out the payment. It's fine. It's on me.
Is this okay? I know you said $67, but is this okay?
Just double it, maybe? Can you double it?
Yeah, man, I got you.
I need some more coke for the way back.
There you go, $2, man.
Alright, that
You'll take it?
should give me a little bump. Slow bump.
Thanks,
Slow
man.
bump.
want
You don't
coke?
happen to have any coke on you, do you?
Nah, man, I've been doing something else, man.
What have you been doing?
I don't know, man. But you want to go on a ride with me, fool?
Yeah, let's do it. Can you give me a ride back to my place?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, let's go.
I'm fully got y'all. With my pride through the afro. I'm not gonna keep my job, yo. 120. I'm not busting from the one-way line. Super life. Wanna see what happens when I flip the super switch.